Alright, hello guys. Today we're going to make some guacamole. I love this stuff. I could eat it every day. When you pick your avocado, it needs to be firm, but not dark. This one has some dark spaces. I'm going to remove the seed out of here. I'm also going to take this little darkness out of here. I don't want that in mine. As I just did, then you can spoon it out. And I like mine's creamy instead of chunky. So after I get it out of here, we got some spice. I'm going to take my fork and I mash it up. Some say leave the seed in it, and then I read where it says it doesn't help it any. Supposedly the acid helps. I like the flavor also, so we're going to add some lime juice in here. Then I have my other ingredients already assembled. We're going to use onion. I actually prepared too much. I only have one avocado. Tomatoes. I like to use Roma tomatoes because they don't have as much juice. This one was a little juicier than normal. Okay. Then the jalapeno, we will add just a tad, and we will see, and I'll check the heat level, and then we might add some more. This is cilantro. Some people, either they love it or they hate it. I love it. So I'm going to put some cilantro, or cilantro, and a little bit of garlic. We're going to stir this up. Use regular salt if you like. And it's just to your liking for how much salt you put in there. I'm going to add a few more peppers. The rest of the garlic. And this also tastes better as it sits. So if it sits for at least an hour or so, the garlic and the onion will go through it. There you have it. Guacamole.